Hey everybody, so I thought I'll show you this quite old sheet I made for a trucking company, and this is for the repairs and maintenance. They basically wanted to be able to capture all the repairs and maintenance somewhere and then be able to have a total per month per the type of vehicle, and have that month on month so they can easily balance it to their books, make sure the data is accurate, and also do some other things with the data like split it out per the type of vehicle and so on. So here, as you can see, this is the actual sheet of the data, which is quite a very simple table. You have your date. They would be able to select a branch from a drop-down list. They would also be able to enter all the relevant data they need, the cost obviously, and then as well they have the types that they can select from the drop-downs and the vehicle type. And then what we can do with this is quite a nifty trick with SUMIF, and I'll show you that now. So if we go to summary, at the top here, this first table that's up here, this would be the total repairs and maintenance. So if we look at this total 252,000, that would be the total of everything that's captured in for January, and it's split out per branch over here. And as you can see, there's a formula for this. So how this basically works, right, is that it will look at the column M on this tab here, and then it will say, okay, what am I looking for there? I'm looking for the date or the month, which is up here. It's a bit hidden now, and also they want to know the branch, and then it just sum the cost for that branch. So if we look up here, this is very simple. That's the month that's entered there, but the text is white so you can't see it. So if you change like that, you will see all the months are up here. Quite cool and nifty. Just hide that away, no one will know. And then if we go to this sheet, how it works is this column Q is hidden, column O actually, and all this is, it says, okay, hang on, sorry, there's another hidden column. It says, okay, there's the month, right, the month and the branch that they want, and then the vehicle. So we have 1 for the month, 52 for the branch, and MH for the vehicle, which is exactly what it's looking for here. It's looking for this and this. Well, I've actually said that wrong. The first one is just looking at these two, and then if we want to split it out like for trailers or MH, we will add in that one extra bit, which would be the image. So let me just make this black so you can see. So you see that would be a T for trailer, and here would be an MH for mechanical horse. So it's looking for image in that branch and that month. And there we go. Very simple formula, very powerful, because now you can split the data any way you want. You have, this company was 50 vehicles, 100 vehicles, and they could capture an entire year's worth of data in here. Very simple. This is half a year, so a full year would be like 1,000 rows. So it's not a lot. Don't need fancy software, nothing. Just like this, very easy. Boom, Bob's your uncle. And it's very easy to train on this, train someone on what to capture in here. You put your conditional formatting on, it has to be a date, this has to be a drop-down list, this and this, and you sort it. And if you want to find out any details, all the info is there. Very lovely sheet, very easy, can be used in many different ways for many different things. In any case, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit the like button. This is my second video. And yeah, please subscribe and let me know if you want to know anything specific. Thanks guys.